In today's video, I am going to teach you how to bend text along a custom path in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the canvas you'll be working on. To create the shape your text will follow, select the pen tool by pressing P. Click to place points and drag slightly as you click to introduce smooth curves. Aim for a path that supports your message. Gentle arcs are easier to read than tight zigzags. If a curve looks awkward, adjust the handles before moving on. It's easier to refine the path now than to fight it later with text in the way. Next, switch to the text tool by pressing T. Move your cursor slowly toward the path you just drew. As you hover directly over the path, your cursor will change to a curved icon, indicating the text will snap to that line. Click once on the path and start typing. Your text will automatically flow along the shape of the curve. If nothing happens, make sure you click the path itself, not just near it. Once your text is in place, you can fine-tune its position. Look for the small dot handle that appears on the path when the text is selected. Drag this handle to slide the text along the curve and set the start point exactly where you want it. If you need the text to appear on the opposite side of the path, open the Properties panel and use the option to flip it. This is helpful for aligning text to the outside of a circle or mirroring a headline on a wave. Keep readability in mind. Adjust font size and weight so the letters don't look squeezed along tighter bends. For more complex or arbitrary paths, you can use a plugin. Press Ctrl-K to open the Quick Actions search, type to path and run it. This plugin is highly versatile for paths that Figma's native tool can struggle with. Draw your path, prepare your text. Then select both the path and the text. In the plugin, click Link to bind them. The plugin will attach your text to the exact contours of the path, giving you extra control on intricate shapes. That's it. Thanks for watching.